morning, students. Welcome back for online classes. This is the period of English literature, and the chapter I started Patul Babu film star. Patul Babu film star. The writer of the chapter, Satyajit Ray, as I told already, he himself was a very famous director, writer, script writer. Up to here, we studied the chapter Patul Babu, that once he got a chance to play a role in a movie, and when he just reached that destination, that place where the shooting was just going on. So he was very curious to play the part of the movie. But after reaching there, when he was informed that he had to play a role of absent-minded person and he had to deliver a single word, the word is "oh." So he was disappointed to listen it, that he was fooled by them and his expectation was high. But meanwhile, he got one advice which was given by his mentor, and suddenly he remembered the advice of his mentor. Once his mentor told that whenever any role is given, so the duty of the character, how to give full justification with the dialogue and how to use each letter when it is delivered by the character. So there is no meaning that role is minor or the major. The main and the important point is that how much you have given to with that character. So by thinking in this way, he himself motivated, and now he was ready to play the part which was given to him. Now we'll study that how he played and how he delivered the dialogue. Oh. So let's begin the chapter now. Here first the para 34. First I will read it, then I'll begin it. So here up to the time was about to come up Patul Babu to deliver the dialogue. The word is "oh." So how he uses the word "oh" in a different expression, the way of different expression, we will study in this para. Oh, 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 oh. Patul Babu uttered the word over and over again, giving it its different inflection each time. After doing this a number of times, he made an astonishing discovery. The same exclamation, when spoken in different ways, carried different shades of meaning. A man, when heard, said, "Oh," in one way. Despair brought forth a difficult kind of "oh," while sorrow brought out yet another kind. In fact, there were so many kinds of "ohs." The true actor could make a mark with this one single syllable. Here, Patul Babu, he is just rehearsing his dialogue, how he could utter, how he could speak the word "oh" in different way. As it is given, inflection means different tone. The word "oh," Patul Babu, he spoke in a different kind of the voice, different kind of the tone. The word "oh." Each time he used different expression. Means this was the rehearsal time of Patul Babu. So when he did a number of practice, so many times when he spoke the word, so he got some surprise discovery he did. Yes, he got that this word could be spoken a different ways also. Patul Babu, he got the experience. The word "O" could be expressed in a different ways also. As for this example, he said the word should be the same, but exclamation will be the same exclamation, but the spoken way, means the way of speaking the word "O" could be different, and it can give a different kind of the expression also. Clear? He said that suppose a man hurt, so he also used the word "O," but the way of telling is the different, tone is the different. Suppose that sudden you got hurt, so we'll say "Oh," means such kind of the word will come in one way. But despair means loss of hope. Okay, loss of hope. So despair brought forth a difficult kind of, means suppose a person has lost something or there is no any hope. In this case, if a person delivers the word "O," so how will say "Oh," means tone will be different. While sorrow brought out at another kind, means suppose that you are disappointed, so that time you will speak the word "O" in different ways. So he said that in fact there are so many expressions of the single syllable word. It could be spoken a different kind of the word. No? And those who are the true actor always give a make a mark. Make a mark means those who are the true actor, they give what a famous way of speaking the same word. Understand? No? They give, suppose that the dialogue could be so much famous. Suppose that word is very single, very common, but that single sentence could be a very famous when it is used by a good tone by any actor. Clear, students? The same thing. You people also can remember the dialogues of some movies. So you may understand some of the movies dialogues are very famous. Even the word is very common, but those things, okay, the expression, the way of expression, what the way it was delivered in the movie. If you, whenever you recall, so definitely you will recall, oh, this was the very famous dialogue of that movie. Clear now? So this is the way of rehearsing or delivering the dialogue by actor. I don't know, but I want to share on the dialogue here. That dialogue, sudden I remember the dialogue. Students, just I want to say, you might have seen the movie Three Idiots. No? Three Idiots, the movie of Amir Khan. In that movie, once you see that when Amir Khan, he just goes to attend the class. Clear? When he goes to attend the class and the demonstration was going off, the definition was told to him to say about what is the definition of machine. So that time Amir Khan, he gave a different way of definition, and another actor, he gave a different way. After that, when Amir Khan, he was told to get out from the class. Clear? And before going that, and after again Amir Khan, he comes to the class, then he explained he gave the definition of the copy. He gave the definition of the copy. So when he said definition of the copy, it was not understood by all. Even the teacher also could not understand what is the definition of this, means which word he just gave the definition. Then the teacher, he said in Hindi, what he said, perhaps you people also can, you people also know. He said, na, like this way, "Tum कहना क्या चाहते हो?" Understood, no? Such kind of the sentence was used by the teacher. So sudden it came in my mind and I shared here. So see, even it became very famous, and I also means time to time I also remember the dialogue, and I became means I just go to the flashback after the movies. So means you people also remember a different kind of the dialogue. So you may understand that the way of how he delivered the dialogue, na? How the teacher, "Tum कहना क्या चाहते हो?" means, see, it is only one line sentence, but how to deliver the dialogue, it is the quality of the actor. Clear? Same way. Now we'll come to the point here. Patul Babu, he also used the same way of the O. Next para. Patul Babu cleared his throat and began to practice speaking this one syllable dialogues in various ways. He was called in exactly after half an hour. He felt a keen anticipation and excitement. It was the feeling he used to have 20 years ago, just before he stepped onto the stage. It's been here in this para we'll study the Patul Babu. He is totally, means now he was ready. Now he was ready to give his best, the dialogue. So when Patul Babu he became ready, so first he cleared his throat. Understand, na? Whenever the singer, whenever they sing the song, before singing they clear the throat, na? Like the same thing. If you are going to say any dialogue, so you also want to clear your throat. Same way Patul Babu, he also cleared his throat like like in such way, and began to practice speaking the one syllable dialogue. One syllable means, oh, this is the one syllable word now. So one syllable dialogue in various way. Okay, now he started practicing various way, because now he got the idea that how to speak that word. He got the idea, and now he was practicing that which word would be better, which expression could be suited here better. Clear? This way he was practicing. Then someone called Patul Babu. After half an hour, someone called Patul Babu, and when he was called, so now he felt a keen anticipation. Anticipation means kind of the excitement. Keen means interested. He was much excited. He's got the feeling, because now he was fully prepared to deliver the dialogue. So he was, suppose that you have prepared anything well. So whenever your name is announced to come on the stage, so you people feel a kind of the excitement if you have prepared well. Understand, no? So a kind of confidence also comes. So same way here, he also felt same kind of the excitement. It was the feeling he used to have 20 years ago, just before he stepped onto the stage. And what kind of feeling he realized? He realized the feeling. He realized the feeling the same when first time, means before 20 years. Before 20 years earlier, before Patul Babu, he also staged, na? He also played a role on the stage, na? So before 20 years, when he was playing the role on the stage, same kind of the excitement. Today, once again, he realized. Once again, he felt same kind of the feeling when the first time when he went to the stage. Same kind of excitement he realized now. An idea had occurred to Patul Babu while rehearsing. And when Patul Babu he was rehearsing his dialogue, so he also got one idea in his mind. What was the idea? Idea was, I was thinking if I had a newspaper open in my hand, then perhaps. Means, what was the idea? The idea was he thought that suppose because here we studied that Patul Babu he would play the absent-minded, and sudden the executive of the office, the officer that he would come and bump to him. So how he will stand, how Patul Babu will stand, what he will do on that time. Clear? So he thought, why not if I suggest to director that he could had a newspaper open in my hand. Clear? So then perhaps after that the dialogue starts, then it will be quite okay. Means this was the idea of Patul Babu, that before bumping to the officer, he could also take a newspaper in his hand also. Okay, then scene will be very natural. Baron Malik, the director, cut him short by addressing a bystander. Do you mind handing your paper to this gentleman just for this one shot? Thanks. Now you take your position beside the pillar. Chanchal, are you ready? See. So who was the director? Baron Malik was the director of the movie. And Patul Babu advised him that newspaper, if he could carry on that place, if he could handle the newspaper that time, and then shooting starts, then it will be more it will be more appropriate. So the director was also, he was ready, means he said okay, that is also good, means he liked the idea of Patul Babu. And then he said any person that you just give a paper to gentleman, means Patul Babu, first only one shot. Clear? He just said to one person. Thanks, you take your position beside the pillar. Now director said okay, just you just go stand there that your place, and I'm just going to start now. Your position is that you will stand beside the pillar. And Chanchal Babu I already told you that he is the officer, and he would come and he would bump to Patul Babu. So now director advised, or he said Chanchal Babu, that are you also okay with your scene, ready with scene? Then Chanchal Babu replied, yes sir. Okay, he replied, yes sir. After that, here the scene will start. We'll study the scene here, and after that, when the scene will be over, this part will be left, and this will be the last part of the explanation. So tomorrow this explanation will be also over. Clear, students? And in this way your chapter will be over. After completing the chapter, meanwhile I will also provide you question answer and book exercise in a PDF form. So you will download the exercises of the chapter. Clear? Question answer whatever, and that you will write in your copy, and you will learn word meaning also. So tomorrow, not today, tomorrow when I will complete this part, then I will upload, along with this completing the chapter, I will also upload exercises of the chapter, and you will carry on your learning together with word meaning. Just I am going to now wind up the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.